Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Friday, August 21st. I was looking for the market to stop and catch its breath on yesterday's action. I felt we'd have some positive news coming out in the United States. We did fundamentally, but we also had some action overnight in Asia as well as in primarily China, as well as in Europe. And so we did see some weakness coming into this market. Do we look for follow through? Well, right now, typically after this type of move, we're waiting for the market to stop and catch its breath, and that's what I'm looking for. A low news day as we go into this weekend. How many people want to go home short this market? That's what we're going to find out on Friday. When it comes to the euro, well, it got stronger as the dollar got weaker. We saw the weakness coming into that marketplace, and we see the result of that. Now, the British pound, it also traded down below its bearish level. The difference between the bullish and bearish level on that market is $375 a contract. I do not look for dramatic movement from the British pound. And interest rates, well, they should be going up, and in fact, they did go higher. We are at significant levels in the 10-year notes. I think we have to be very cautious at these levels. I don't look for strong follow-through to the upside. And when it comes to metals, well, gold finally has an excuse to do something, and we can see that action. But I look for a relatively quiet day today in that market. Copper also firmed up. It traded above its bullish level, and the difference between the bearish and bullish level in that market is $750 per contract. Again, just to give you a reference of what's going on there. And over in crude oil, yes, we did make new lows, but a little bouncy down here. I do not expect a strong rally. I'd be amazed if we can get above $42. Well, and I should tell you about natural gas. Here we also traded above its bullish level. The difference between the bearish and bullish level in natural gas is $350 per contract. Beans, we were not looking for much action, and we didn't get much. Basically an equal and opposite kind of behavior. This does imply follow through to the upside. I'm suspect of that, but that is what we're looking for, unchanged to higher in the soybean market. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I'm looking forward to being with you again, and in the meantime, take care.